Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to an Android app which lets you earn by doing some simple tasks. The app is called Earn Biz Earning App, which is available on the Google Play Store. And if you're an Android user and from India, then you can definitely use this app. So it's a clean UI interface for this app. Once you log inside the app, you can actually use a Gmail to log in, and you can actually find a lot of tasks like games, spin, refer and earn. You can watch videos, you can visit websites and earn rewards, and you can convert these rewards ultimately into cash. So it got some pretty simple tasks. You can actually visit website. You can just click on this, and once you click on that, you will be redirected to a website which you can visit, and after you are done visiting, you will get the 10 coins or whatever coins that's shown there. You will get that much coins, and in the end, when you reach threshold, you can withdraw it as cash into your Google Pay or PayPal account or any other modes that's available. So there are many ways you can earn. Let me just show the spin. This is a simple one where you can just spin and you can randomly earn some coins. So you get up to 10 spins a day, and you can earn anything from 1 to 30 coins. So it's really easy to use. Then you have the scratch, where you can just simply scratch. You can scratch 10 times and you can get coins. Then you can play games, you can watch videos on YouTube. You can watch videos and you can earn the reward. Let me just show you a sample one. Okay, let me just choose this one. So this video will be playing for like almost 1 minute, and when the 1 minute is complete, you will get the reward. So right now this video is playing within the app, and you can actually see the time counting down on the right side corner. And once the time completely counts down, you will earn your reward. Let's just app link for the app in the description. You can actually use refer and earn as well. So you can actually click on this refer friends now, and you can easily share it into WhatsApp, Facebook or whatever application you have. So let me just show you more. You can actually see each threshold. When you invite each level of friends, you will get rewards accordingly, and when you hit 10,000 coins, you can redeem. That's the current threshold limit, and it may change to a much lesser threshold limit with time. So it's a really useful app to earn a part-time income by watching videos, watching advertisements, etc., and playing some online games. I hope you found this video useful. I'll give the link for the app in the comment as well as the description section. Thank you for watching this.